In this specific video, we'll be talking about layouts in LeadCreator. So you already created your lead magnet, and to get to the layout or to change your layout, you can hit the backslash key and you could insert an image, a YouTube video, a Vimeo video. You can insert additional text. By the way, text is the default. You can do an H1, H2, H3. You can have a bulleted list, a numbered list, and you get into that by hitting the backslash to get in there. And of course, if you already have opt-in magnet that you're editing, you can move things around. If you wanted this video up at the top, you can have it up here. You can move the paragraphs around also. And of course, you can get into the text itself. You can append existing text with AI prompts. You can change the heading. You can add a link. You can change the font size, the line height on a paragraph. You can bold, italics on the line, strike out. You can center, left justify, right justify. And here you can change the text color, the text height. And of course, reset your text to the default settings. Go ahead and click on the link below to get more information on LeadCreator. It's an awesome tool that you should definitely have in your arsenal.